Hello everybody! Let us now have a look at how to select a device according to your requirements. Before we configure the device, we should clarify what is the purpose of the device, what features and functions are required. Or, with other words, do we have a specification? As an example, I have prepared a specification for feeder protection. The device should provide overcurrent time protection, directional earth fault protection, over and under frequency protection for the use in an isolated system. Furthermore, it should contain 24 binary inputs, 14 binary outputs and an optical communication interface with IEC 61850 via Ethernet. The device will be mounted in a cabinet, shall have 16 two-colored LEDs and a local keypad with more than 220 by 300 pixels. For the selection of the optimized SIPROTEC5 device, we will use a simple tool, the so-called SIPROTEC5 online configurator. It is available free of charge on the internet. The SIPROTEC5 online configurator leads you step by step to the desired order code number together with all necessary information. The following link guides you directly to this tool. Or simply Google SIPROTEC5 online configurator. Based on the given specification, let us now design a sample device together. On the first page, you are requested to select an option for configuration. You have the chance to start configuration with a given product code. This topic is presented in a separate video. We are going to define a new product code. Therefore, we select Device. The following page will bring you to the actual configuration process. It offers scroll-down fields for the selection of product group and device type. According to the specification, we select overcurrent protection as product group and 7SJ85 as device type. The 7SJ82 is a non-modular device and not extendable. We cannot use it for this example. The next two menu fields appear showing the selection of the device type. The new processor module CP300 is already pre-selected as assembly CPU. This fits. With the selection of a standard variant, you decide for a predefined configuration which facilitates your individual configuration. According to the required number of binary inputs and outputs, you select the standard variant S3 with 27 binary inputs, 17 binary outputs, 4 current transformer and 4 voltage transformer measuring inputs in a half-size 19-inch rack case. You can adjust the selected standard variant to your requirements as you go along. This step is very important. You determine how many function points you want to order for your SIPROTEC5 device. Function points are selected in accordance to your needs. They will influence the device price. A defined number of function points is related to every function. We click on the text Calculation Function Points. All functions which are available in the selected SIPROTEC5 device are listed in this point calculator. In the upper part, you will find function point classes with predefined application templates. These templates already contain the necessary combinations and connections which will support your final configuration. We are using the scroll down field to select the application. Directional overcurrent, resonant, grounded, isolated system. The table shows a basic selection of all activated functions for this application. You can now select additional functions. The point calculator immediately calculates the necessary function points. In our case, 45 function points. That matches the function point class 50. But remember, according to the specification, the device should contain frequency protection. Therefore, we will now move the cursor downwards to the ANSI number 81 and select the frequency protection function once. The total of function points is now 50, which exactly fills up the function point class. With a click on Apply, we can close this table. With Next, we change to an overview of the selected modules. You have the chance to adapt the hardware of your configured device, for example by changing the IO207 extension module to IO231 module with 25 binary inputs and 24 binary outputs. For our example, this is not necessary. Click on Next. Now we need to consider communication connections. The communication encryption is preset to normal. An optical Ethernet module, ETH BB 2FO 2x optical Ethernet, will be placed in plug-in module position E. Plug-in module position F is not used for our application. The integrated Ethernet port J is used as the interface to an engineering PC. With click on Next, you will reach the front view of the selected modules. Different options are available via scroll-down menu to modify the hardware. Housing type, flush mounting and operational panel integrated is what we want here. We select for display type large display. Leave the rest, key switch, LEDs, push buttons, front design, power supply unchanged. Again, click on Next. The standard pre-selection of the firmware is current version. Standard warranty is 5 years, but could be changed up to 10 years. This was the last selection step. Now let us show the result. On this page we see the name of the device 7SJ85 overcurrent protection, product code in short and long version, a picture of the device front view and all relevant technical data of the selected device. The shortcode provides a distinct and easy to remember description of the selected device. With this product code, you can now order the SIPROTEC5 device in the Siemens ordering system. The long code is used to control the production. I absolutely recommend to store this data as PDF, otherwise important information could get lost. With the last step, we finish the configuration. Registered persons will now also get list price information of the selected device. Or, as a not registered person, you can use this template to apply for an offer. Let me summarize. Based on the specification and by use of SIPROTEC5 online configurator, we have selected, guided by the menu, the suitable device out of the SIPROTEC5 family, determined the order code in short and long version and stored related documentation. Further product details of the SIPROTEC5 series and examples regarding SIPROTEC5 online configurator are available on the internet under www.siprotec.com or on the intranet. Well, now it's your turn to test this tool by yourself. Enjoy and thank you for your interest.